Hello guys, welcome to Kadaxa. In today's video, we'll be covering what are specialized banks, its features and types. But before moving on to the topic, let us understand why specialized banks were introduced. As we know, there are various sectors that operate in a country and different sectors have different requirements. Like a farmer's requirement will be different from a small business owner's requirement. Where a farmer might require a loan for a tractor, quality seeds, or to install a drip irrigation system. Where if he goes to a commercial bank, he will get loan on high interest rate and strict repayment policy. But specialized banks like NABARD refinances loan through rural cooperative bank and regional rural banks with a lower interest rate and repayment aligned with crop harvesting season, and also arranges farmers training program. So now farmer will get loan at a low interest rate and also he can repay loan after the sale of the crop. Whereas a small business owner might require a loan for business expansion, equipments or machinery. Where if he goes to a commercial bank, there might be a high collateral requirement. That is, he might have to keep something at the bank to get a loan. Whereas if he goes to a specialized bank like SIDBI, he might get a collateral free loan where the interest rates are low and better repayment policy. So now let us look at the definition of a specialized bank. A specialized bank is a financial institution that is created to serve a specific purpose or a particular sector of the economy instead of serving everyone like a commercial bank. For example, ICICI Bank is a commercial bank that provides all kinds of loan to all types of people, whereas NABARD is a specialized bank that provides loan specifically to agricultural sector. Now let us look at the features of a specialized bank. Focused objective, only one sector or purpose. For example, as we have discussed, NABARD provides loans to agricultural sector and SIDBI focuses only on small industry. Specialized staffs, employees are trained for that sector. For example, Exim Bank, that is Export-Import Bank, that provides assistance to businessmen who have a export or import business, where the employees of Exim Bank are well trained on foreign trade laws. Tailored products, loan terms, interest rate and policies are designed for that specific sector. For example, NABARD gives loans specifically tailored for agricultural sector like low interest loans and flexible repayment policy. Government support. Many specialized banks are owned or regulated by government. For example, NABARD, Exim, SIDBI are government-owned specialized banks. Now let us understand some of the major specialized banks in India. National Bank for Agricultural and Rural Development, or NABARD, was established in the year 1982 that provides and regulates credit for promotion of agriculture, rural development and allied activity. It was set up to strengthen rural financial institutions and ensure farmers and rural entrepreneurs get affordable loans. So, NABARD is a specialized bank that provide credit or loan facilities for agricultural and rural development, and it does that by providing funds to rural cooperative bank and regional rural banks, which then lends to farmers. It also provides training to farmers on modern agricultural techniques. It also monitors rural banks and cooperative banks to ensure they work efficiently. Next up is SIDBI, or Small Industries Development Bank of India. SIDBI is a government-owned financial institution in India that supports and promotes micro, small and medium enterprises by providing them finances, development assistance and policy support. It acts as a catalyst to grow small businesses so they can contribute to the economy and create jobs. It was established in the year 1990 and it basically provides loans to NBFCs and other financial institutions, which in turn lends to small businesses. It also directly finances MSME sector for specific projects. It also helps MSMEs with skill training, entrepreneurship programs and technology upgrades, and work with the government to create policies that help small businesses grow. Exim or Export Import Bank is a government owned financial institution set up to promote and support India's international trade. That means it helps Indian companies export their goods and services abroad and also helps them import technology, machinery, and raw materials from other countries. So Exim Bank basically provides loans to businesses who are involved in export import businesses. That is businesses which sell their products in foreign countries or buy technology, raw materials or equipments from a foreign country. It also helps Indian companies set up businesses abroad. It also organizes trade fairs, business meets, and provides market intelligence to exporters. NHB or National Housing Bank is a government owned financial institution set up to promote housing finance institutions and ensure that peoples in India get access to affordable housing loans. It acts as a principal agency for housing finance in India. Basically, it is the big boss that regulates and supports housing finance companies and also promotes housing development. Established in the year 1988, NHB encourages formation of institutions that give home loans. NHB doesn't usually give direct home loans to public. Instead, it gives loans to banks and HFCs so they can give cheaper home loans to customers. It also regulates HFCs to maintain transparency and don't exploit customers. NHB also runs schemes for affordable housing, slum redevelopment, and rural housing under government programs like Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. So remember, specialized banks are like expert doctors for the economy. Each one focuses on a different sector, understands its problem, and provides the right treatment. Without them, many industries, agriculture, small businesses, export, housing would struggle to grow.